Hey, I'm Ian, and I'm gonna show you how to mount your bike onto a trainer. All right, pick your spot. You wanna make sure that you have enough room for the trainer, a bike, and whatever you're running Zwift on. And you wanna make sure that your trainer is compatible and set up properly for your bike. For example, my bike has 11 speeds on the cassette and it's got a quick release skewer, so my trainer has to have 11 speeds on the cassette and be set up for a quick release skewer. First, you wanna unpack your trainer. We're gonna deploy whatever legs it's got. And we're gonna make sure the feet are nice and stable. Then we're gonna grab our bike. And the first thing I wanna do is I wanna move the chain to the smallest cog on the cassette. So I'll shift the gears and rotate the pedals a little bit. That's gonna make it easier for me to get it onto the trainer. Now, the brakes will have a small lever back here that helps us to release them so they can get past the tire. And then all we have to do is open the quick release using the lever, and then this derailleur is spring loaded, so I can actually rotate it out of the way. And if I lift the bike up, the wheel should just drop out of the frame. Now you want to avoid touching the chain if you want to keep your hands clean. So you can also press down on this cage to give you a little bit more slack in the chain to get past that quick release skewer. And that's all there is to that. And we're just gonna do the reverse process to put the bike onto the trainer. So again, I'm gonna push the cage out of the way with my finger, get that chain past the quick release, and then you're gonna wanna try to rest that chain into the smallest cog. Again, we're gonna rotate the derailleur out of the way. We're gonna settle the frame right onto the skewer. You may have to straighten the bike out to get both sides nice and stable. Give it a little rock just to make sure that they're seated properly. And then you'll want to tighten down this quick release with just enough force to leave a little bit of a pressure mark on your hand. Again, you want to make sure it's nice and stable, and then you want to turn the pedals over just once or twice just to make sure that that chain is settled properly in the cassette. All you have to do is plug it in. You're ready to Zwift. Have fun, and I'll see you in Watopia.